Hello Rainbows, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I am showcasing my massive love for Harry Potter. I have my Hufflepuff makeup on today. Fellow Hufflepuffs, where are you at? I have done a tutorial for this look as well, and I will be doing the other Hogwarts houses as well. I've been a massive Harry Potter fan for years. I remember reading the books when they first came out, and I never actually finished the series until I was about 20. I don't know why, but there was this massive gap, and as soon as I finished the series, I was like hooked. I swear I've listened to them a million times. I have the audiobooks, I have the books themselves. I think I've even got some of the original books that I did have. I wish I still had all of them, but you know, that's like 20 years ago. I don't have the biggest Harry Potter collection. There is honestly so much that I want to do, and I am creating some amazing things in my mind for when we eventually buy a house and I can fully deck out my studio Harry Potter style. I mean, ideally, I would like my whole house to be Harry Potter. Oh my God, it would be amazing. If I could go back again and get married, I would be having a Harry Potter wedding. I had a Harry Potter baby shower, which was incredible. If you guys haven't seen the video, check it out. And also my daughter had a Harry Potter themed cake smash for her first birthday. So I'm waiting till that very special day before I really like start collecting, because otherwise in the meantime I feel like I don't have anywhere to put stuff. It would just be in storage. I wouldn't want it to get damaged or wrecked moving and stuff like that. So I mean, obviously I still want to collect stuff, but I'd love to fully deck out a room and make it magical as fuck, basically, and display all my Hogwarts stuff. I've really been loving watching Harry Potter hauls, like the subscription boxes and things like that, and I've realized I haven't really showcased much of my love of Harry Potter. I've got 2 Harry Potter tattoos. I definitely want more. A massive fan, and I feel like whenever I've gone through a really hard time in my life, cuddled up and watched Harry Potter movies, I've listened to the audiobooks, and it's just made me feel at home and feel better, and just kind of helped me get through some really shit times. And sad to say, I've had quite a few of those times in my life. Let's get started with the haul. The first item is the top I'm actually wearing. Now this is from Peter Alexander. I'm not sure, I don't think they're making it anymore. I did get this for a Christmas present a few years ago. Basically, it is a Harry Potter pajama top. I wear it as a top because it's amazing and I want people to see it. So basically, this is how it looks. You've got the lightning bolts at the top, you've got crowns, you've got Hedwig, Harry, you've got Hogwarts right here, and it's got the Harry Potter kind of logo. Basically, it is quite long. You could almost get away with this as a mini dress depending on how tall you are. But yeah, this is basically how it looks, and it also does have little bits of glitter kind of through here as well. But this is my first item. I freaking love it. I don't wear it as often as what I should, because I really need to start wearing it more often because I love it so much. My second item, oh God. So long story short, Lee was watching Hazel. I was helping my sister-in-law out getting some stuff ready for her daughter's first birthday. And Lee said he basically went home, put Hazel to bed, he fell asleep with her. He woke up and she had a highlighter in her hand, all over her face, all over her feet, everywhere. And I just found my next Harry Potter item in Hazel's room, covered with highlighter. Oh my God. Anyway, I'll see if I can wash it and get it out. This is a top that was bought for me by a friend. It's too small at the moment, but that is okay. It is the Marauder's map top. So this is from Black Milk. I also do have their Deathly Hallows skater dress as well, which I wore to my baby shower. So basically, this is how it looks. It has Marauder's map on it. This is a reversible. You can wear it this way, or you can also wear it this way. But yes, my daughter has got into it with the highlighter. So thank you, Hazel, but that's okay. Cute. And it is this kind of silky material. getting into the good stuff. So I do have all of the Harry Potter books. I can't find them. They're like floating around somewhere. I don't know if I put them in storage. I don't freaking know. But they're somewhere. And you guys have seen books before, so it's not really that interesting. The next thing, this was actually given to me by a friend. It is just a little kind of makeup bag case. And it is like the Hogwarts acceptance letter. So it's got the seal wax on here. I'm not sure where this is from. Maybe Typo or somewhere like that. But Mr. H. Potter, The Cupboard Under the Stairs, 4 Privet Drive, Little Whinging Surrey. So, oh my gosh. But yeah, I don't think I have anything in here. It's just like, oh, I've got a pair of undies in here. But yeah. Alright, so the next items I have, these are not like official Harry Potter merchandise or anything, but I love candles, and there is a candle company that sent me out some PR a little while ago. Not these in particular, because I did purchase these myself, but they sent out some candles. They're an Australian company, smell freaking beautiful. And then I saw that she came out with a Harry Potter kind of style edition. I was like, oh my god, I need them. I didn't buy them all because there were quite a few in the collection, but I did get 4 candles. 4 candles. So this is by a company called Burn the Wick Candle Co. Oh my god, I can smell them already. Even like when you unpackage the box, you can smell them. They are amazing. I haven't burnt them yet because I just want to like keep them. You know, I should have bought doubles, some that I could burn and others that I just keep. So this is the first one. This is the Badger. So I had to obviously get a Hufflepuff candle. This is salted caramel and vanilla. It is a natural soy candle. The packaging is beautiful. It's a bright yellow candle. It's happy, it's joyful. Oh my god, it smells mouth-wateringly delicious. I'm not usually the person that likes super sweet scents because it gives me a headache. But this is like instant mouth-watering. It's lush, it's rich. It's not sickly sweet though. It's very sweet, but not sickly. Oh my god, it's like instant mouth-watering deliciousness. Oh! The next candle we have is the Forbidden Forest. So this is oak, amber, and musk, and it is quite a dark, mysterious color. It smells really, really nice. It's more of a masculine kind of scent. It smells like, you know, when my husband has nice cologne on and I'm like, oh, oh, it smells good. So you definitely get the slight spiciness, but it is a beautiful, it's a little bit mouth-watering in a way. It's not like, again, overly headache-inducing or anything like that, but it just smells beautiful. The next one that I got is the Great Hall, and this is spiced ginger and vanilla. Oh, I'm like a spicy scent person. I love stuff like that. Oh my god. It's super spicy. Beautiful cinnamon, oh, gingery, vanilla, creamy goodness. Like this is just comfort to me. So it smells amazing. I love it. And then the last one I got is page 394. So this is clove and sandalwood. It is a really nice kind of creamy color. It's not probably my favorite scent out of all of them, but I just had to have it. Even if I never burn this, like I had to have it. It does have almost like a kind of baby powder type scent. Not in a bad way, but yeah, it's definitely probably not my favorite, but it's still really cool packaging and I like it. And these are all glass jars as well. So there are heaps more in the range. There's one for each of the Hogwarts houses. I think there's the Burrow, there's heaps. So, oh, I want more. All right, the next things I have, again, these are not official. I didn't get these myself and they kind of stuck together, which sucks, but that's okay. These were decorations that were used at my baby shower. So these were on walls. I don't know, again, I don't know where they're from, but they are kind of like cutouts from the Daily Prophet. So you've got the Daily Prophet up the top here, issue 45,768, the 30th of June 1997. You've just got Ilops Our Emporium, like ads, Potter saves stone. So Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry student Harry Potter has triumphed over he who must not be named for a second time. The infamous 11-year-old yesterday saved the Philosopher's Stone from the clutches of you-know-who in the dungeon below Hogwarts. I won't read the rest because we'll be here forever. And then they have Madame Malkin's robes for all occasions, 87 Diagon Alley, receive a 5% discount. So basically, it's just got some ads on Cruise Joke Shop. Lamel to pass in few days. Wow. So yeah, I haven't actually had a chance to really look at that well. So it's pretty cool. And I mean, I know this is probably just manufactured from someone because you never really see a full article of the full paper of the Daily Prophet, but it's so cool. And then this is another one. So obviously different text, different kind of style, but I just loved so much of this. I'm going to cover it up because I know I'll probably get demonetized. But Granger, the Griffin, that word, oh my god, it's so funny. It says by Rita Skeeter. You can't actually read the writing because it's that blurred, but it says maybe one day I'd like another baby, but I think at this stage the chances of a girl are quite slim. Okay, and then it says The Golden Cheaters by Rita Skeeter. And you can't really read what it says there. But honestly, this side is so much better because you can actually read the articles. But how friggin' cool is that? So I'm definitely keeping this, and that's going to be displayed. And yeah, the papers is like thick paper. It's pretty cool. So, oh, I love it. So we're getting onto some books now. I have 2 copies of this. I haven't actually compared them to see if they are the same, but the first one is The Tales of Beedle the Bard. So I did purchase this from the Wizarding World of Harry Potter in Orlando when we traveled there quite a few years ago. I also did buy a chocolate frog there. I got Helga Hufflepuff. I already knew it was a Hufflepuff, but I was like, oh, it's meant to be. That's even before I took the Pottermore test, which yes, I'm a Hufflepuff based off that as well. It's crazy. And I also did have a pumpkin juice bottle, which I'm pretty sure I still have floating around somewhere, but I did keep it all the way from America. But basically, this is The Tales of Beedle the Bard by J.K. Rowling, a wizarding classic from the world of Harry Potter. So there are actual children's books, stories in here. Not really that illustrated. This retailed for $12.99 US. So yeah, really cool. And then my friend bought me this, and it is The Tales of Beedle the Bard by J.K. Rowling. And this is an illustrated edition. It is beautiful. They have really, really pretty, beautiful illustrations. This was for Hazel's first birthday. I just saw her writing and I'm like, my friend bought it for me. But one day I will be able to read these stories to Hazel. And yeah, it just has these, oh, text message. It just has these beautiful kind of illustrations in the book. It is like super big, super thick and heavy. But obviously my daughter's, she doesn't want to like sit and read one of these massive stories just yet. But oh, it's really cool. Then I also have the illustrated version of the first Harry Potter book. I am going to buy more. I did see recently they are actually on special at Big W, like 40% off. I'm like, hell yes, I'm gonna buy them. So not all the books are out yet. I think it's up to book number 4, but how amazing is this? Like one day I'm going to sit and read these to Hazel. I really hope she loves Harry Potter as much as I do. But they are just a beautiful illustrated versions of the book. I mean, how cool. Oh my gosh. So yeah, and this is a hard copy as well. Can't wait. Oh, I just want to like have my own house now and decorate it, you know. Here I have another book. This was purchased for me by a friend again. Same friend, Lou, thank you. So this is a History of Magic, and again, it is illustrated. So they have just beautiful illustrations in here. I haven't had a chance to like fully read the whole book because it is so in depth, but it's just freaking amazing. I love it so much. It's definitely a must if you are a Harry Potter Hogwarts fan, definitely. Okay, so the last items I have is actually Harry Potter makeup. I have already done a video of this showcasing everything that I bought, doing swatches for you guys and just in-depth looks at the actual makeup. So click the little eye if you guys want to watch that video. It's definitely a must if you love makeup and Harry Potter. But these are makeup from the brand Shiro Cosmetics or Shiro Cosmetics. I'm pretty sure they may be discontinued now, but I just had to buy them. I had to buy them. Even if I never used them, being a massive makeup and Harry Potter fan, I had to get them. There's more than this in the actual collection. They had like chocolate frog highlighting and bronzing powders and butterbeer lip gloss and things like that. But this is the actual eyeshadows. So each eyeshadow has characters from the books and then a quote or something related to the character on the back. So for instance, this is Fred and George, and the back is Wizard Wheezers. So that is the shade name. So I'll give you guys a little swatch because why not? This is one of my favorite colors, but they are a loose pigment eyeshadow. Oh, and just beautiful. I mean, they're probably expired by now because I've had them that long, but I love them and I couldn't part with them. I also have Dobby, which is a free elf. We have Sirius Black, and this one is called Dark and Light Inside Us. Dumbledore, the Well-Organized Mind. We have Snape, After All This Time. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. Luna Lovegood, You're Just As Sane As I Am. And of course there's ones for Ron, there's ones for Harry, Hermione, so much. So definitely check out that video if you guys want to see it. So that is pretty much it for my Harry Potter collection. I've been madly looking online. I want to get a Hogwarts acceptance letter. Like, let me know where you guys think the best place to get an acceptance letter is. I kind of want the most authentic one that actually comes with, you know, the list of your school books and needs for that year. And oh, there's just so much that I want. Oh my gosh, but yeah, I'm trying to like, keep it together. And if there are some Harry Potter subscription boxes that you would like me to try out, please let me know because I really, really want to get into that. It just makes me happy, and I'm all for things that make me happy at the moment. So yes, thank you Rainbows for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll have all those other videos that I've mentioned linked down below. So definitely head down there and check it out. I love you guys, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.